They may look similar, but biscuit and domino joints are actually very different.
One uses a circular blade to cut narrow elliptical groove. The other uses a router bit to cut a rectangular mortise.
The biscuit joiner is fast, great for panel alignment.
The domino cuts deeper and more precise mortises for structural joints. Biscuits swell with glue to lock in place, while domino tenons are solid wood, stronger and tighter.
Biscuits are perfect for panel glue-ups, dominoes for legs and frame joints.
Which one do you use most often?